Hi mga kabetang, good morning, good morning po. So ito, samahan niyo naman po ako. Mag-start na naman tayo. Preparing tayo for cash out tomorrow. Yun. So time check tayo is 2:47 AM. So start tayo ng work ngayon. So makikita niyo medyo marami tayong cash out for tomorrow. Kasi coming new year na po. At least meron silang na-save, di ba? For their family. Thank you Lord. Anyway, so ito, habang prepare tayo for cash out, babantay ulit tayo ng trading. So tayo yan, tukan na tayo ng profit. So while tambay, nagbabantay, hindi pa nagbabantay na trading. At least, paupo tayo dito pero may kinikita tayo. That's for all people na patuloy na nagtitiwala sa aking investment. So maraming salamat po sa mga patuloy na nagtitiwala sa akin. So kung gusto niyo po makita ang aking trading, ayan. So nagtitrade tayo ngayon. Time check, 2:48 hanggang 4 AM po yan. Medyo aangat bababa lang tayo. Aangat bababa lang ang ating market. So, ayun, kailangan natin mag-prepare for cash out at medyo marami sila. So, na-schedule ko na rin yung mga in-meet up natin for tomorrow. And sa mga gusto po kong sumali, update nyo lang ako, message nyo lang ako, direct message po tayo sa aking messenger. Minsan hindi ako nakakapag-message, pasensya na po kayo kasi medyo marami na rin po yung message sa akin. So, sooner or later, pagkakala po ni Lord, tuloy-tuloy ang ating trading. So, tara, samahan nyo ako ulit, mag-prepare tayo for cash out. And tomorrow, samahan nyo ako ulit, overtime tayo. Have a good day everyone! God bless po!
Hi everyone! So pinky tayo ngayon. Araw na to because today is overtime. Paka-cash out tayo. Paka-cash out ulit tayo ngayon in 24 multiple accounts. So tara, samahan niyo ulit ako mag-cash out.
Okay, so this is for you, solo, capital and profit, right? A big smile. YouTube moment. So 22,870.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
nice.
So give me your beautiful hand. From Jim or?
Not started.
Okay, so okay, you will start now. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 500, 870. So that's a huge.
Big one. Thank you so much.
So how's the investment?
So far,
So
good.
good.
I like it very much, you know.
Because you just earn, right?
Yeah.
You earn and earn. Don't keep your money, ba? We don't trading.
Oh no. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So that's the reinvest, right?
Yes.
Two solo.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. No? Ah, okay. This is for me. Thank you. So let me count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Why are you giving me 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, this is mine. Thank you so much. So this is another reinvestment for Tosol account. So ito, be. Give me your beautiful hand na, be. Tatayuan ko na at malit ako ngayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 150. So capital and profit. Thank you, be. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa the first investor, the first Bogart. So yun.
Makahawak ng ganito.
Oh, 'di ba? So yun na yung sasabi ng scam. Coffee, gusto mong coffee? Ay, may coffee ka pala. So, ano masasabi mo?
Thank you very much. This scam.
Walang scam.
Walang scam.
Kasi ang scam lang, nasa tao lang yun. Yes. Oo. So, i-invest mo? O, sige. Pikiyan. I'm good po. How are you? Have a seat po. Okay. Kuya, coffee? Okay, so reinvest for you and for Kian. Noted. I'll just send you a message. Because I don't have change po. This is for Kuya Aaron.
Okay.
3,930 and this is for you. So 8,550 po. Yeah? Anyway, this is for you and Kuya Aaron. 8,550. Give me your hand na, Kuya.
Yeah.
So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 500, and 50. Thank you, Kuya. Thank you, Kuya Balo. So, how's that? Care of Sagar. This is for Abish, right? Yes. So, 13,200 for him.
All right.
Okay. Give me your hand na. No, I think he will invest 10,000. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 200. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Diba? At least meron ka pang capital doon. Stay natin yung pera mo para pala. Oh, yung phone mo. Pagka ka ng profit, yung phone mo na pero kung gusto mo ng capital sa profit, kung gusto mo yung phone mo, pwede na stay. Yung papalitan ko lang kasi cycle para beginning. Sige, ito na yung pera mo, 1,300 ba? O, diba? Kaya nga natin, ito na yun, 1,000, 1, 2, 3. At least may pagkakagamitan ka dyan sa pera na yan. Kasi kung steady, tapos binili mo lang ng kung ano-ano yung 1,000 mo.
Kung nakatulog lang yun, hindi magiging doble yun eh.
Oo,
Hindi lang doble.
true, oo. Kaya nga
salamat.
sabi ko nga kay Kuya Chris sa kitchen, si manager, gusto kong tulungan talaga yung mga nasa buzzer at saka, yung mga stewards natin, Kasi sabi ko gano'n, pera nila, yung tip nila, mamaya bibili lang nila kung ano-ano. Kung inipon nila, at least meron silang, dumodoble yung tip nila.
Dumodoble. Saka yung matutulog lang tong pera, walang mangyayari.
Syempre, ang mas mababa yung sahod nila. Parang, sabi ko, alam mo yung puso ko, kasi pag nakikita ko sila
Kaya nga sabi ko talagang gagawin ko talaga, ganun ang gagawin ko. Pagka nakuha ko ng sunod, bibili.
Oo. Ganun talaga. Sabi ko,
Hindi tayo sa maliit.
Actually, yun naman yung ginagawa ng iba. Nagsisimula sila sa maliit. First cash out mo sa account na ito. Ito na. Give me your beautiful hand. Kanan daw. 6,640. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mahal pa yan, ha? Sure. True. Thank you naman. Kumusta naman ang investment mo?
Legit talaga.
True. Scammer ba?
Hindi Kaya sa mga dadalawang isip dyan, kung kayo, wala kayong pera.
Within 3 months lang, kumikita na tayo. True. So, may pang-gold ka na naman.
Yes. Thank you, Ating Ben. Thank you so much.
Thank you naman. Welcome. This is yours anyway. It's your first time cash out.
Yeah.
It's,
Dreams came true.
Dreams come true, yeah. So anyway, it's not scam, right?
Not yet.
Yeah, so
Not
this is
at
your cash out for profit only, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so
Thank
see,
you.
you still have another 2 cash out soon. After 3 months
Only
again.
one. No, I still have one more. Maybe on February.
Yeah, but another one.
Another one.
You don't want? It's okay, no problem. It's okay. So this is yours. 2,680, right? Okay, so this is your 1,000, 2,000, 500, 600, 700. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for trusting.
Thank you so much.
Hopefully, your capital will be bigger more. So your profit will be bigger
I
more.
want to add more, but now I'm a bit in
Yeah,
problem.
I understand. No problem.
I'm gonna add more.
Yeah, it's okay because the money will be on purpose. Yeah, see? At least you save the money. At least you have money now for
Thank you so
trading.
much.
Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
it's okay.
Thank you.
Check your tilapia, okay?
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, this is the one, 4,620. Capital and profit. And still you have another account soon, yeah? So let me,
Even I was not about to withdraw this one, but I am going to.
of course, I understand. There's a purpose of your money. At least you save a money for your vacation. So let me, because I know you want some coffee anyway?
No, it's not.
Sure. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But thank you so much. Thank you for trusting. Gagigs. Hendrix, is it Shabby?
Exactly like our place.
Yeah, Hendrix Light. Hendrix is No. But anyway, his sister also is same like me because his forehead, the way she smile. Yeah, Hendrix Light. And she has also raised it like all. So Hendrix, shout out. But this is yours for capital and profit. Yeah. Let me remove this one. I think I need to slap this stuff. Joke lang. 2,170, right?
Yes,
Yeah. 1, 2, 170. Thank you, Be. You still have another account, right?
Yes, but thank you.
Continue that one so you still have savings.
Let's see the
You need to save your money.
Thank you so much.
Thank you po. Kuya Mohan,
Yes.
you're the best. Ha?
It's my phone?
Yeah. It's your big pocket today. You have a lot today, Yeah, all of this. So let me start with you, Kuya Mohan. Only profit, no?
I think all of them only profit, right?
Yeah. Here po. So, 6,000, 6,710, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 710. Thank you. Wait, I need to on this one, so, okay. Let me start with the big boss. I want, yeah, Madan. For Kuya Madan, only profit po for solo account. Yeah, okay, let me say here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 100 for Kuya Madan. Okay na po? Yeah.
What do you say?
He's very rich now, yeah?
This one, let me.
So this is one. For Yogan,
Yogan, yeah.
only profit also, 3,930. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, I think So this is for Zane po. Yes po.
I'm gonna pick them like this.
Yes. Hey, cash out. So 2,650. Yes po. 1, 2, 650. This is for Zane. Okay na po Kuya Mohan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Be. How's the investment?
It's full.
Full. Battery full.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Thank you po, thank you.
Thanks, you know. It's very helpful to us, to our family.
Yes po. Thank you also for trusting. Even I'm going to the Philippines soon. No, joke lang. Joke lang. No, it's okay. If I'm going back to the Philippines, I still come back and back. Of course, you know. Just joking. If she takes one class, I will say the trading lang. I want 26 years, so let me. I know, because yes. Thank you po. So this is the, you finished the account already, right? So we need to clear your account. Ay, Kuya Dilip. You have change, right? You have 20 dirham? Yeah, 20 dirham. Yeah, just give me 20 dirham. You have? It's okay. Yeah. Kuya, you have change po? Wala. No, he needs to give me back 20 dirham. 20. Sure, okay. Okay, no problem. No, it's okay na. Ito na lang, no problem. Okay na. Here na ba? So, 2,230, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 50. Okay ba? Thank you so much. So, I think I need to give my hand
Yes,
also.
give your hand here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One solo.
This is one solo.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
5. And after 2 o'clock, I'll transfer you 1.
No problem. I will deposit this one also. So, at the morning, at the evening, we'll be live. At least you can earn already. Yes po. So, I receive for two solo account.
2 solo.
Ang iyong cash out, both capital and profit, no? So, wala ka ng account sa akin. Pero naka-reserve ako ng slot mo.
Pasok ko ng ano, time.
Sige. So, ito na lang siya, Be. 4,590.
Okay.
Okay po, give me your hand na. Ito na siya. Sana all, iba ng uniform mo, hindi ka na-kitchen, ha? Ano, improvement? Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you, Be.
And then, I will give you the 5,000.
Okay, yes. Anong 5,000?
Bibigyan ko ng 5,000.
Ay, oo. For
Para
another slot.
Para
Continuous na yun. Oo, sige. No problem.
wala ka na, mag-withdraw lang.
Sure, no problem, Be.
Bigay ko lang sa'yo.
Nalito ka, Be? May hangover ka ba?
Hindi wala pang tulog.
Ay, oh.
Gising ako kahapon.
Oh, it's a tie. Sipag niyan. Sige na, i-count ko na lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 400 na lang para maging 5,000.
Withdraw lang ako sa'yo.
Sige, Be, no problem. Take your time, Be. Ito yung, marites ka pa? So, ito yung account ni Carmina. I-ano mo na lang. So, from March, no? March to December. So, may marireceive kang capital tsaka profit, 6,080. Yes, ito yung 6,080. Pinahal na, Be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you po.
You can watch snow fall from everyone there. Drinking Americano with me. Stepping your mission's free.
Yung sa'yo is
Christmas bells
total cash out mo is 20,500. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Opo. Yung total cash out mo is 40,000 po. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Sa mga nagme-message po sa akin through WhatsApp din, hindi ko na-replyan kasi yung iba po kasi alam na nila yung rules, pero may mga nagtatanong pa rin po.
kung gusto niyo po ng slot, just inform me. Hindi yung nagsasabi kayo kaagad ng slot, which is hindi ko pa i-confirm yung slot niyo. So, yun lang po yung information na gusto ko malaman niyo. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po ulit sa patuloy na nagtitiwala sa akin.